Hey, welcome back to Synthwave Dojo. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic tracks of the 80s, Phil Collins's In the Air Tonight. I'm gonna show you how to recreate that haunting dark pad using the free Vital synth. Don't forget to check the description for a free sound bank download with this patch and a custom Vital theme. Let's jump in. To get started, we'll first initialize our patch. Then let's bring down the level a little bit so it's not so loud. For this patch, we're going to use two oscillators. So let's go ahead and activate oscillator 2, and let's make sure that both oscillators are routed to filter number 1. In terms of the wave shape, we're going to use the pulse width, so head over to the All folder, double click on pulse width for the first oscillator, and the same for the second. For oscillator 1, let's set the frame to around 145. And for the second one, let's set the frame to around 160. This is where we are right now. Next up, let's detune oscillator 1 a little bit. Right there, a value of 15 sounds very good. Next up, let's tweak the filter. Let's head over to filter 1 and bring the filter cutoff down to around 330 or so. Next up, if you see this small circle here on top of envelope 1, it means that this envelope is mapped to somewhere else. But we're not going to need the envelope modulating the filter for this patch, so right click and remove. Next up, let's tweak the amp envelope, which is envelope number 1 when you initialize your patch. Let's set the attack to around 0.018. Right there. Let's set the decay to around 3 seconds. The sustain to around 0.6. And the release to around 2.8 seconds. Lastly, we'll just add chorus and delay to taste. Let's head over to Effects tab, click on Chorus, set the voices to 4, click on Seconds and set this to around 3 seconds. Bring the feedback all the way to 0, delay 2, 0, delay 1, 0, and the depth to around 22 or thereabouts. This is where we are. Finally, let's add some delay. Let's set it to stereo and set both sides to 16th notes. Bring the feedback to 0 and the mix to around 33% will sound good. Maybe pull back the release a little bit to around there. And there you go. Let's now have a final playthrough. You can open up the filter a little bit. It's up to you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more synthwave and sound design tutorials. See you next time.